Hi guys, my name's Emilio and welcome to my channel. Uh, hey guys, my name's Emilio. Welcome to my channel, Manila Boy in Bulinaw. So yeah, I'm a starting farmer and it's my dream and my goal to create a sustainable farm. So come join me on my adventures. I'm by no means an expert at farming, so yeah, I'm just gonna document my progress. And if you guys have some tips, feel free to share some. And yeah, I'm just gonna learn as I go and have fun along the way. I have 2 years of mango farming experience under my belt, but I was doing the industrial methods before, and now I just want to go fully organic and create a good ecosystem and yeah, just grow some food. So I'm by no means an expert. Just bear with me and let's see what we learn along the way. Maybe you guys have some tips. So feel free to share some. And yeah. So ito yung aking foster family dito sa Bulinaw. Kilala na kilalanin natin sila. Ay, Sitong. Ito si Sitong. Magaling siya magkarpentero, magmason. At ito si Ate Lea Fe na sobrang husay magluto. Hello. Naimbag Malem. So, ito yung aking nursery. Kuha ni Kuya Sitong. Pero tumulong din ako kahit papano. So, dito kami nagsa-start ng seeds. Ito, mga lansones. Um, durian. Atis. Yan. So, kita nyo medyo mainit dito. So, sa Bulinaw, Pangasinan, considered lowland kami. So, to try namin mag-focus muna sa mga lowland crops. Kita nyo, 34 degrees, tapos 60% humidity. Ito, nagtanim kami ng mga ternate sa paligid para gumapang sila. And so it has a cooling effect here in the nursery. So, ito yung mga raised beds namin. Mga apat pa lang. Pero only one yung marami na po talagang tanim. Here, we're gonna make a composting pit. Ito yung mga raised beds namin. So, we have munggo. Ito, sitaw. Okra. Here we have some, what's this? Mustasa. Some baby talong. Then we planted some mulberries here. Here we have some munggo. Ready na siya i-harvest. Alugbati. Ooh, I like this one. Talinum. It's a good replacement for lettuce. Some kamote tops. Here we have some tomatoes. Here we planted some dragon fruit. Some of my pets. We got some wildflowers. I don't know what that is, but it looks cool. And here we have Oreo. Hi, Oreo. How are you today? And Pepito, her son. Hi, Pepito. He's shy. Beh, beh. Pepito. Here, come. Pepito. To si Donald tsaka si Daisy. Aking mga pato. Yeah, so it's a work in progress, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for Manila Boy and Bulin.